Hello my lovelies, we're doing our DIY mannequin Christmas tree today, and we're starting out with the bottom part of a regular artificial Christmas tree. This is going to be a very easy mannequin Christmas tree. And now you see me placing on top one of the dress form dummies that I have that was just sitting in my bedroom. And what I'm doing is I'm attaching it to the bottom of the Christmas tree using the pole that is already there and just tightening it on because this mannequin was on a pole as well. And once I have that secured, you will see that we are halfway finished. So if you have one of those dress form mannequins that is around, that stands on a pole, this will be the easiest DIY that you will ever do. And thank you so much for those that are coming on to watch. If you are new to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to see new and upcoming DIY tutorials. And there you have it, halfway done. Now what I'm using is this wire basket from Dollar Tree. And I've just cut the rim around the basket, and now I'm just placing it around the bottom portion of the mannequin. And to secure that, I am going to be using zip ties. And you can also pick these zip ties up from Dollar Tree as well. Again, very easy, very simple. I always love to bring you guys easy, simple DIYs that look gorgeous in the end. And I hope you guys are being safe during this time where our world is going through a lot right now. Now all I'm doing is just making sure that it is secure and tight and close to those branches. What we're going to do now is use these branches from the Dollar Tree. They are a different color, but you will not tell once we get started. If you can find some that would be the same color as your tree, that would probably be best. And I'm just taking those and going through the holes in the wire basket and just tying them there. Now you can do this all the way up, but I did not. I will show you what I did after this. It's very easy, very simple. Just stick it through, pull it out of the other end, and then give it a little twist. Again, if you're new to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to see more DIY tutorials. Now we have that portion completed. What I'm going to do next is use our garland to finish out the job. And I'm just going to take the garland and wrap it around and just go all the way up until there is no more of the basket showing. Just wrapping it really loosely so that it kind of rests on the branches, giving it a dress-like effect. Like I said, guys, really simple, really easy. I'm just going to wrap that around. Now, another way to make this look really nice is to give it an ombre effect. Just take some spray paint, 3 different colors, 2 different colors, and start from the bottom and spray up whichever way you would like to spray. And there you have it. That is the skirt. After this, it is just simply doing whatever dress you want to do at the top. As for me, I just used some large ribbon, tied a bow, and you will see the end result at the end of the video.